Hi guys, in this video we're going to learn how to install SQL Server, SQL Server Management Studio, and how to create our first database inside of it. Let's go ahead and get started. You can head over into the link in the description below. On the website, you see we have different options to select for installing SQL Server. We're going to be selecting the SQL Server on-premise option because this allows you to go through the full installation process. Once selected, you'll be brought to this page to input your information. You could go ahead and fill it out. Once you've done that, select at the bottom, download now. And this will bring you to this page where you get to download this by clicking the 64-bit edition. Once it's done, go ahead and press open file. And you should see the SQL Server installation app open up. You can choose basic, custom, or you could just download the media file in case you want to install it on a different machine at a later time. We'll go with the basic installation option for this video. Go ahead and select it, hit accept, and now it will begin the installation process. This will take some time, so we'll pick up once it's done. Now that it's done, next thing you want to do is install SQL Server Management Studio, also known as SSMS. Click the Install SSMS button, and it will open a page in the browser. On the page, click the free download for SQL Server Management Studio option, and it should begin downloading. Once it's done, open it up, and this will open the wizard to start the installation process. Press install and let it run. Once it's done, you can go into your start menu and you should be able to find SQL Server Management Studio. Go ahead and open it up. You should see the name of the machine that you're using as the server name. Go ahead and hit connect. Congratulations, you've now signed into an instance of SQL Server. Let's go ahead and create our first database. Right-click on the part that says Database. Select New Database. The New Database wizard will come up. Give the database a name. I'm going to call mine DiosDB. Press OK. And just like that, you've created your first database. That brings us to the end of this video. Hope you now have a good idea of how to install SQL Server, as well as SQL Server Management Studio, and how to connect to it and create your first database. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with anyone that will be interested in understanding SQL Server. All right, catch you in the next video.